like Oliver Twist, Middlemarch, even poems of Robert Browning, Tennyson, and how they depict morality. For example, Oliver Twist by Oliver Twist written by Charles Dickens. He puts two characters like Oliver Twist and Arthur Dodger, and how they differ from one another. Even Nancy with mother of Oliver Twist, and how they have different conceptual realities, how they have behaved. Even after reading this novel, we can see that Charles Dickens just passes from here, laugh and go. That this expression of laughing is like that. These virtues and evils are to be compared. How virtue is rewarded, how evil is punished. Here we can see that Oliver is a very innocent, a very good character. Even he can be considered hero, because as a innocent, he even knows that how to survive his life by escaping. So escapism becomes a virtue for them. But really he is given virtue or not? Really he is given reward or not? Here George Eliot Middlemarch, how complexity of common characters of people, of society. That he shows that even being a common person, how he is complex by nature. Because each and every character has his or her own concept of individuals. According to myself, what is real and what is wrong. Even what Dorothea believes, Dorothea does not believe in what Kadabon believes. This is how morality differs from one another. Secondly, psychology of the characters, that means science. How scientific these characters are. They think with the subject of profession, even by mind. For example, using this microscope, we can analyze Oliver Twist. Even you can use weak lens, then you can get the matter. That what is the characteristic of different characters. Even Dickens puts a simple image of Victorian age, and just he does not say anything, but just puts here. And it is our duty to see what is wrong and what is right. But Middlemarch requires strong lens. If you go with microscope and with the help of strong lens, you can know that what is complexity of life. But you cannot know that where is spider. That what is central of the characteristic. The last is all about individualism. How Victorian age was full of individualism. We can give example like Oliver, Nancy, Gilbert, Mr. Bumble in Oliver Twist. How they become very individual. For example, Oliver, according to Oliver, to survive is individualism. For Nancy, to help others. For Gilbert, to help other people, to kill, because without any reason. For example, his wife, even Mr. Bumble, and how gradually he is bumbling. We can see that. For example, Dorothea, Kazarwani, and Middlemarch, they have the different concept of understanding other people. For example, Dorothea, she has two mistakes: that misunderstanding and limitation of social understanding. I cannot understand this, and why should I try to reform this? Without knowing what is the nature of common people, how can one reform society? This is how she is again. Kazarwani, she is also misunderstood by Dorothea, that she will be submissive. Though she is very submissive, but does Dorothea help him or not? Even she is does she show the humanness of his character? Cultural anarchy, a very simple idea according to me is what is the center of the culture? What is the center in society? Culture or individual? Even individual becomes a part of culture, and with the efforts of individuals, how culture is built. So this culture is a part of individual, or individual is a part of culture. This is how cultural anarchy shows. Poetry of Tennyson, tears, ideal tears. Individual beliefs, death in life, divine despair. Here we can see that how tears become a sad tone of life. Even he compares tears with death. That's how individuals, according to individual, what is death? That according to myself, this is a kind of image of death. According to readers, this is a different thing. In Browning, My Last Refuge, this poet forcefully tells us that you have to become involved in my topic. That incidents like Jew, historical events, you have to just focus on that and give your idea. Horrible of Dutch's fact, even using language for tone. What is dominated in my poem? You have to just give yourself, your opinion. And at last, to conclude, we can say that individualism is also a part of 21st century also. That how 19th century leaders respond to modern research. This is how commonness is found in each and every age. For example, 19th century and 21st century. Thank you, sir.